Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: logs, rocks, rope, cloth, plus guns and spare ammo. This is non-negotiable. Once done, erect a compact forward outpost with a raised watchtower and set simple alarm triggers. That gives you early warning. Make sure to scout the perimeter thoroughly and mark 1 to 3 likely approach routes. This tells you where to concentrate defenses. Move quickly, because early control of choke points turns chaotic raids into manageable fights. Now you build layered defenses. Dig pits and place spikes in front of wooden walls, and add fire traps where enemies bunch up. This slows and chips armor. Once that's in, funnel attackers toward turret and gate positions. Keep one lane clear for your team to flank or retreat. Make sure players occupy elevated roof positions for overwatch, and rotate search patterns every 5 to 10 minutes so attackers can't predict your coverage. This complexity breaks enemy timing, and you finish by staging supplies. Consolidate ammo, medkits, and a dedicated resupply player. That keeps combat sustainable. Then, continuously repair and rebuild damaged walls and reset traps between waves. Neglected defenses invite collapse. If a raid starts to overwhelm you, don't fight a losing grind. Retreat to the inner base and lure attackers into a pre-prepared kill zone where traps and turrets finish them. One troubleshooting tip: if enemies bypass defenses, inspect and close any unintended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.